What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, today's an easy one. You know, the winter, we've been having a pretty mild winter. I got to be honest with you, it's been pretty nice. Not too many cold days. But this time of year, what I do is I get a few calls where some elderly customers or people with older windows, they want to have the windows, that plastic shrink wrap type deal. They want me to do the insides on a few drafty windows, and that's what we're going to do today. So you don't need too many tools. All you need is, and I got to move my sprayer, we're going to bring the step stool or the step ladder, whatever you want to call it. We're going to grab a nice sharp blade, nice little razor blade. Let me see where I could find. I have my, and remember, I always say put your stuff back when you're finished. But I'll find that I got the DeWalt blade, which is right here. Okay. Make sure you got a nice sharp blade. And when you see when we get there and we start cutting this plastic, it's very important you have a sharp one, because if not, you could screw everything up. And you know, if you cut a large piece of this plastic and you damage it, then you just got to throw it out if the window is too big and the plastic's too small, and so on and so forth. So that's what we're going to do. I got to clean this out. Got to put these boxes in the garbage. All right, so get back to it. Let's get the step stool. Okay, you're going to need that for high windows. This way you reach. And we're going to head over to the depot. We're going to get our materials needed. Not a lot of stuff needed. Like I said, just a knife. You're going to get this shrink wrap stuff, and we're going to go over that when I get to the depot. And then you will need a hair dryer, believe it or not. And that's what shrinks this plastic. So I grabbed my hair dryer and a little extension cord, and we're going to get to work. All right, stay tuned. We'll be at the depot in 2 seconds. All right, here we go. It's Frost King window insulation shrink kits. Okay, let's see what we got here. Got the measurements here. Obviously indoor, a patio door, or a big picture window. What you got to do is, when you're doing these jobs, obviously you got to go around the house with the customer, find out what they need, take a few measurements so you know what kits to buy. This is a 4-pack, okay, 42 by 62. Okay, these are your basic window sizes. These are actually large, so you get a couple of these. They're only $4.98 for a 4-pack. That's not bad. We'll grab a couple of the large ones just in case. What else do we have here? What is this? Sorry about that. Patio door, large window insulation kit. What is that? Oh, look, so you roll it on, almost like you're going to seal, almost like when you're painting and you got to tape things off. Go across the top, you unroll it, and boom, you shrink it with the hair dryer. That's pretty cool. This might be good for your first time do-it-yourselfer, but I could bang them out real quick doing it, you know, the old school way. All right, so let me grab some of these packs. We're going to get up to that register. We're going to do the self-checkout. We're going to get out of here. We're going to head off to the job. While we're here on the way out, always check for the sales. You never know what they got. It's not bad. 10 bucks. All right. Good to have on the truck or the trailer. 21 bucks. That's not a deal. I can keep that. Oh, we got a hat for 4 bucks, guys. We got here. We got some clothes. You need some socks, cuz? Come to Home Depot. Get your socks. Oh, look, this is a nice little kit. I'm looking for the one with the tester. The tester went quick. The screwdriver and the wire strippers always left. Nah, I already have that stuff. What do we got here? We got bath mats. Got some umbrellas for $5. Oh, here we go. We got some sound mates. These are knockoff wireless earbuds. I wonder how they work. If anyone's used these, throw a comment down at the bottom. Let me know if they work. Got about 3 hours of playtime. All right. All right, let's get to the register and get this thing over with. We're in one of the rooms here. It's an older window frame, okay, single pane window. And we have, if you can see this, we have the 4-pack, all right? For now, we're gonna run the tape all the way around the double-sided around the frame. And then we take the plastic out and we hang it. And I'll show you how we do this. As you put your tape around the perimeter, all the way around, then you take your plastic, you put it on top, you stretch it across the top, and you go straight into the tape. You gotta be careful, because if you puncture this at all, and it opens up, it's no good. So this is one, we're gonna head to the next. All right, so you run it across the top, peel it, you put the sides on, both sides, you're gonna peel this, then you're gonna run along the bottom and peel it, and then I'll show you how we hang this and blow dry it real quick. All right, so you have your tape around the window. You're gonna get your plastic, you're gonna open it up, come to the top, spread it out, go across the top, and then as you come down the sides, you kind of stretch it. You can pull this off. You kind of stretch it and stick it to the side. Do one side first, all the way down. Don't worry about it being so loose. And then come over here. Again, you can pull it off the tape just to readjust it. You want to get it as snug as possible. I'm in a tight spot, but pull it up. Okay. Don't mind the overlap. You're going to cut that in the end. Stretch this out. Doesn't look like much now, but you see you got all the loose slack everywhere, okay? You're going to get the blow dryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to tighten all this up. And then you're just going to go easy. I'd stay about 1/4 of an inch out and just cut this excess slack off all the way around the window. And that's it. Let's grab the blow dryer. All right, get yourself, I use a little Conair, kid. I'm not plugging Conair, but it's what I had. You're going to just put it on the plastic. Go back and forth. And you can see it's starting to tighten up. See that? Tightens up quick. Tightens up real quick. Look at that. Around it real quick. Don't keep it in one spot too long. You'll burn it, and then it'll rip. Go along the bottom. You don't have to go too much. If you look close, there's seams in this plastic, and those seams will disappear, but you don't have to go crazy. All right, I don't know what was that, 30 or 40 seconds, and it's done. Okay, see that? It's tight as a drum skin, or whatever they call the top of the drums there, kid. And I'm going to cut the excess off, and that's how you seal these windows. Very simple. Go out and get the Frost King from Home Depot. It's stretched pretty tight. Definitely, with these old windows, you don't feel any draft coming in whatsoever. So if you have drafty windows and you don't have the cash to replace them, go out and get this shrink wrap stuff. It works well. And obviously you get it at your local Home Depot. All right, again, I want to thank you for watching. If you took the time out to watch this, I know a lot of people know how to do these things. But this was it, just a quick little Saturday morning job. And I look forward to doing all the paint. We got a lot of rooms we're going to paint. This is going to turn out to be a nice job. And stay tuned in the spring for this place on the paint job. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Happy New Year to everybody. I appreciate all the new subscribers. And remember, hit the like button. You know, share the video. Do what you got to do. Get High Ridge Handyman out there, kid. All right, we'll talk to you soon. What do we got over there? We got a little squirrel, cuz. Hey, yo, Sonny. Sonny? Yo, Sonny, where are you? Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?